So what is Microsoft talking about with this startup boost? Okay, Bob Coppage, CEO of Simplex-IT, Crouch the Old Geek, and a few months ago, we basically gave everybody a heads up how Microsoft was going to force an upgrade to the new version of Outlook to everybody. And we got a lot of feedback and a lot of views on this. Well, here comes May 2025 and Microsoft is gonna do it again. So Microsoft's gonna send out a new update to Windows called Startup Boost. And there's good and bad to this. Its claim is to improve the startup speed of key applications once the computer is up. But its design bottom line is to keep essential processes like Microsoft Office applications running in the background. So that'll allow Edge, Office, Word, Excel to launch more quickly because it's already been loaded. Now for end users, this should mean faster access to these tools because they're already loaded. So anytime you want to go run Word, there it is, it's running. Same thing for Excel, that sort of thing. But how are they going to do this? They're going to do it by preloading during the boot of Windows to ensure they're already in memory and they'll open swiftly when you need them. Now, this is going to be particularly beneficial where IT professionals, if you're managing multiple devices, because it's going to optimize performance once it's loaded. You'll notice the company going back to that again. And it's not going to significantly impact system resources, kinda. Now, what's going to happen is two things. One is the time required for your computer to boot up, not wake up, but boot, is going to increase because we're loading all of those programs. The second is they're going to hang around in memory, which is great if you have enough memory. So Microsoft is saying that this feature requires 8 gig of RAM. So does anything. So you can bet that really you need to have at least 16 gig of RAM, even more. So this is optional according to Microsoft. You can turn it off if you want to, but guess what? Microsoft will re-enable this function every time there's a new Office update. Oh boy. Now, administrators, you could more permanently control Startup Boost through group policy settings, which will allow you to be customizing based on your organizational needs. So, as always, we're going to be talking to Simplex-IT clients and especially the co-managed clients to help manage them through this process. But for you, let us know in the comments what you think about this new update. And as always, stay tuned to us for these improvements and make sure that you subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications so you can learn when Zach is doing a video. Because Zach has the most views of our videos with a Windows 10 versus 11 comparison. So, is Zach doing this video? No, I'm doing this video. Tough noogies, Zach. Tough noogies.